Marinated beef and tuna sauce. In this recipe, you'll discover a new cooking technique called brining, which involves fermentation. So I have some very simple ingredients such as water, sugar, salt, and spices. The meat will need several hours to cook. Then it will be ready to eat by cutting thin slices, or thicker ones more than double in size with a classic tuna sauce. Or else, we can decide to freeze it by cutting it while still frozen. So that any time of day or well into the future, it will be all ready for me to eat. So let's get started. We put half the amount of water from the recipe with the salt and sugar so that they melt. We add the rest of the water. We use aluminum foil to protect the meat from the light, to avoid it changing color. We take the meat out of the brine, dry it, and clean it well. We remove the first slice and the outside part around the thigh. Now we slice it with a knife.